Hi, today I'm doing a how-to for an outbound nurture bot in Grace for a health insurance provider. So I'm just going to jump into the case right away so I can show you what we're doing today. So the case here is that we have a web form on the health insurance provider's webpage where potential visitors could go in and get a quote on their health insurance if they want, individual, family, etc. So this is me, I'm a visitor and I would like a quote for health insurance. So I've gone into the form and I'm then fill in the information about myself, like the name, phone number and email. Once that's done, I continue to the next page. So when I get to this page, for some reason, I drop off. I did get a phone call, I had to run, I didn't have time to finish it up. And this is where our Grace bot today will come in. So I will have her call me up right now and I can demo the bot we are creating.
Hello, my name is Grace, an automated assistant from Blue Book Insurance. Am I speaking to Sebastian Schergel?
Yes, you are.
Nice to meet you, Sebastian. I noticed you recently started filling out a quote request for health insurance on our website but didn't get a chance to finish. I'm here to help you complete that process. Would it be a good time to continue?
Yeah, it would actually.
Okay, great. Let's pick up where you left off. What type of health insurance coverage are you looking for example, individual, family, or something else?
I'm looking for insurance for myself.
Do you have a budget or a range in mind for your health insurance coverage, like low, moderate, or high coverage?
I'm looking for medium coverage.
Okay. Are there any specific healthcare providers or networks you want your insurance to cover, or are you open to different options?
I'm open to different options.
Okay, great. Thank you for that information. Based on what you shared, we'll generate a few options tailored for you. I'll make sure we send the final health insurance quote to your email. The email we got is sebastian@gmail.com. Would that be correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. You will receive the quote shortly. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.
As you just saw here, our Grace Nurture outbound bot was able to complete the form with me, our quote form, and then also confirm the information like my mail, so she could send it to me. Now, let me just jump into the setup to show you how simple this relay is. We start off with the list of users. We have the phone numbers, first name, last names, and their emails. And this we get from a CRM or collected it in a Google Sheet. And then we would like to do is we would like it to export it or save it as a CSV. And then we go into our auto dialer, which is the auto dialer campaigns. We are going to create an outbound campaign. We create a new campaign, web form drop off bot. And then we select the call flow we are going to use. We have our number right here, so it populates it immediately. And then we are putting our date range, which will be then Thursday to Friday, because these are new visitors, so we would like to call them as fast as possible and in short time range. So we apply this and specific time is good. Concurrent calls, we can do max 20 at a time, and maximum attempt, we're going to do 3 with a 1 hour delay between each attempt. And then Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., we'll actually extend this to 8 p.m. And we can also do more windows if we'd like. This is the call windows. Then we create the campaign and we then upload our file, our CSV, which we just downloaded from previously. Now, as you can see here, once we have uploaded our CSV, she will populate these tags, which are information capsules we're going to use in the playbooks, like the first name, last name, and the visitor email. And of course, we also have a phone column, and we need to choose that manually so that Grace knows which phones to call up. And I'm going to then choose the phone column as the phone number she's going to use. And then we continue, import them. And now our autodialer campaign is ready to use, and we can just start our campaign, and it will then schedule all the calls. If you go into our playbook, I'll just show you how we have set this up. So we have our playbook right here. We've gone in the playbook section, and we have created a playbook where we have an intro script, and we first would like to confirm if we are talking to the correct person. That is important for us. So we are, of course, introducing ourselves, and then we are asking, are we speaking to first name and last name? These are the tags again. Remember, we are using in the auto campaign, so this will automatically populate based on the number. So this row, well, Ella Davis will be Ella Davis first name and last name. And then we have a few options here. If it's the wrong person, she or he is not available, or wrong phone number, etc. We have different paths based on the situation. But if yes, it was that right person, we go into the greeting page. Nice to meet you, first name. Nice to meet you, Sebastian. Would now be a good time to fill in. We of course explain calling from a health insurance, and would now be a good time to continue the form. Yes. We then continue the form. We have our then form here where we save all the answers in these tags. So we can either save to our CRM or save to another Google Sheet or wherever. And we have our different types here. Now, what we are doing here, we are having a questions, and we have also the multiple choice type. So these are types we're going to use if collecting dates, number, addresses, personal information, etc. And it's important we also have this free response. But I would say it's best practice to be as specific as possible, depending on what you want. So, for example, here we are asking for what type of health insurance, and we only have a few options. So we do multiple choice, like individual, family, and something else. And then we have the same for a budget range. We have 3 options, multiple choice to be specific, and also with if they would like in a specific provider or network. So here we have just populated it with some answers, but you can populate it with whatever you would like. But it's important here to be specific about your choices for the question, the type of information you are collecting, which again is being saved in these tags. Once we are done, we're then saying thank you for being able to fill out the quote form. And then we are here confirming their email address. So this tag right here is populated by this column in the CSV. And if yes, then we lead them out and send them the quote form. And lastly, I'll show you the call flow, which is basically we have created a call flow, which we are our inlet number or the outbound bot number. And then we have created a bot node, which we have put in our bot, which we have created before, and also the playbook I showed you previously. And then once this is done, we then finish up the flow. Now, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll answer any questions you have there about this flow. And if you would like help with setting up a bot like this yourself, you can always send us a mail at inquiries@greatspace.com. All right. Thank you for watching.